Life is so hectic. Day to day, life is so stressful. To meet deadlines, we put in efforts and a multitask. Multitasking makes us more tired. Many tasks are unfinished or pending. And the piles of unfinished tasks at the end of month makes life tough and more stressful. Bills, rent, and day to day grocery makes life more stressful. Want to spend time with the loved ones, long forgotten friend whom you want to call but did not have a time. Wherever life goes, it's beyond our control. If you go out at a night, you can see the sky. There will be a lot of dirt and pollution in the air, but you can still see the moon and some stars. But when you see the sky at night and after a rain, which clears the dust from the sky, you can even view more stars and galaxies. The same thing happens when we stay calm and do meditation. In meditation, when we clear our mind from thoughts or start focusing on the present moment, life becomes less challenging and we can achieve more. Just sit in a room, even in not so silent place. Just focus on your breath. Just count the breath in and breath out. Just focus on that. Slowly, all thoughts, all tensions, and all stress drop out. And at that time, your mind start to focus on the present moment. You can see clear picture. What are you doing? Where are you going? And what you need to do based on the priority. No matter how tough life is and what challenges lies ahead, you can only win when you stay calm, control your nerves, live in a present moment, and take one task at a time. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.